It's been a while since I've filmed the high-speed time-lapse video that you've seen so far. This is one of the very first videos I've ever made, and in the middle of it I had my first son being born, and I apologize for not properly documenting the whole process, but this is the current state of the build here. Since then I've installed some electricity with some external lightings, and basically this is the front door. Okay, let me just yeah, it's opened. It's a little messy, but I guess done is better than perfect. It's time to wrap this video up. I ran an electricity line buried in the ground inside of iron piping to prevent it from being damaged, and made this outlet ports, and we got lights, and this one controls the outside lights. This door is made out of the same material as the walls. It's just the piece that I cut out of the wall. I just used it to make the door. Bolted in some hinges. So yeah, let me just turn on the lights. Yep. This is what it looks like inside. These doors are meant for me to be able to put larger materials, I guess, like wood and like plywood plates, and just bigger tools to be able to put them in and get them out easily. Yeah. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions regarding how I built this little shed and what were my design considerations or anything like that, please, you're welcome to put them in the comments. And until I guess until next time, yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.